Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can manage birthday notification in your Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage birthday notification on your Facebook so that you won't miss a birthday of your friends. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your Facebook notification for birthdays. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this home page. Tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen to continue. Once you tap on it, you can scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Beside it, the drop-down button, tap on it. And then from here, select settings. And you'll be directed into the settings and privacy. Under the preferences, you will see here the notifications. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see here what notifications you received. You can scroll down and you will see here the birthdays. Tap on these birthdays. Once you tap on that birthdays, you can now manage the notifications from the birthdays of your friends. You will see here a notification on Facebook, and you can also manage where you receive these notifications, such as push notification, email notification, and SMS notifications. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage birthday notification on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage birthday notification on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.